Try the cheetah again, Mike. Try it again. Do it from the bottom like you normally do. This time it'll work. That's not the bottom. Oh, come on. Let's go. Get it in there. Stick it. How'd that work out for you? That one had to have worked. It was the 7th time you've tried that.
Now my ears are ringing.
What?
My ears are ringing.
I didn't hear you. You can check them out at Facebook. Facebook.com/Mike Leodoro. Friend request him. He loves Facebook. He can't get enough of it. He'll even teach you how not to mount a tire, because if you haven't already learned that in the previous 10 minutes. All right, Mike, quit screwing around now. Let's go.
I'm done.
What do you mean you're done? You can't be done. How's the customer supposed to get his tire and rim back if you're all done? Where are you going?
I'm running up front.
What are you going to tell him? Oh, the tire sucks? Is that why it won't go on? Oh, come on. I don't think that's the truth.
You really thought?
Yeah. Because I want to know how this is going to end. Come on. Where are you going? Are you running away? Don't run away. You're running away.